No doubt naman talaga na very articulate siya. Deserve na deserve naman talaga niya yung kanyang Miss Universe New Zealand 2024 title. Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Junaid! Ayan, so for today's vlog, I'm sobrang excited tayo for this reaction kasi papanoorin natin ang naging full performance ni VVV. Okay. So ayan, si Victoria Velasquez Vincent, who was hailed as the Miss Universe New Zealand 2024.
Yeah.
Sobrang excited tayo kasi napanood natin yung performance niya live during the MUPH sa MOA Arena before.
And she's one of the queens na sinusubaybayan talaga natin yung...
Na nanghinayang tayo nung hindi siya tinawag sa top 5. Kasi hanggang top 10 lang siya umabot. But anyhow, without any further ado, let's watch this. Grabe yung support. So ito yung kanyang national costume.
Wow!
Alam mo kung ano yung parang binago niya sa kanyang styling dito kaysa sa yung Miss Universe PH?
Ano?
Dapat ang sagot mo hindi. Kasi sabi mo, oo. Hindi dapat alam mo.
Ano nga, hindi ko nga alam.
Yung sa MUPH, nakapusod siyang ganon. Very tight. And then dito nakalugay yung buhok niya. So, nag-iba yung aura niya kung titignan mo. Mas nagmukhang youthful yung nakalugay lang, di ba?
Tsaka mahilig siya talaga sa ganyang silhouette when it comes to national costume.
We don't know kung si Axel Toy, ang nag-design nito. But the energy and then the way na mag-introduce siya sa kanyang self. Very VVV, no?
Pero hindi na siya ganun ka...
elements juxtaposed with strong ridges and solid jaws and surfaces. Symbiotic opulence highlights New Zealand's duality, diversity, and the dynamic experience our homeland provides. The national costume's subtle patterns reference the kaleidoscope of people, cultures, and land New Zealand is home to, while the central koru symbolizes this diversity.
Wow!
Emote na emote talaga, and makikita mo kasi yung dedication niya dun sa gusto niyang ma-achieve. That's why hindi siya nakakapagod, hindi siya nakakaumay suportahan, yung gano'n.
At saka ano siya, super hyper focus siya dun sa goal niya, talagang makatapak siya sa international competition ng Miss Universe talaga.
Which she deserves. Mas okay nga talaga yung nakalugay lang. Very smooth and very flawless lang.
Hindi na nung figure niya. Parang feeling ko mas sumeksi siya sa figure niya ngayon.
This is for the long gown. Even this gown, di ba, mapapansin mo, same color, red. Pero nga, yun nga yung sinuot niya ng MUPH, siguro hindi lang talaga sumakto sa panlasa ng mga judge. But this one, dito napapakita yung kanyang katawan, yung kanyang legs. So, maganda tong gown for this one.
Grabe.
Last but not least, please hold on Victoria Velasquez Vincent.
Na. Dinig na rin yung mga supporters niya.
here is your question. After a 5-year hiatus from the Miss Universe International stage, how will you promote New Zealand to help overcome barriers to acceptance and diversity? One more time. After a 5-year hiatus from the Miss Universe International stage, how will you promote New Zealand to help overcome barriers to acceptance and diversity?
I genuinely believe we're already doing it for this pageant. You can see the diversity in these women. We've got a pregnant mother, we've got mothers that already have children, and we have multiple biracial women as well. In New Zealand, I believe that we have 3 key values. We have valor, which means we have the courage to face any challenge. We lean into our vulnerability, and we have a vision for our future. This represents a new era for New Zealand in pageantry, and although Kiwis might be a flightless bird, through valor, leaning into our vulnerability, and through our vision, our Kiwi people will soar.
No doubt naman talaga na very articulate siya, and very easily she can communicate, express her thoughts, her emotions towards a certain topic or question, ganon. So, deserve naman talaga niya yung kanyang Miss Universe New Zealand 2024 title crown, which yun talaga yung winish natin nung mga nagbibigay pa lang siya ng mga teaser, ng mga hints na may balak nga siyang sumali sa Miss Universe New Zealand.
Sa akin naman, nakaka-senti and nakaka-jealous, nakaka-selos. Kasi it feels different na tag dito, she's standing for, siyempre kalahati ng pagkatao niya sa New Zealand. But as well as, I'm super happy sa kanya kasi at least meron pa rin way para makuha niya yung kung ano yung gusto niya.
Ma-achieve niya yung kanyang pinaka-ultimate na dream.
And right now, hindi lang may nagre-react sa taong nagre-represent sa country natin, but as well as we truly support her sa kung ano man yung journey niya ngayon.
To end this video is that kung meron talaga kayong gusto ma-achieve, never ever stop dreaming or trying to achieve whatever you wanted to achieve in life, kasi as long as humihinga pa tayo, nothing is impossible. Just, samahan lang natin ng konting sipag at tiyaga, and syempre, galaw-galaw pag may time. Ganun. Thank you so much! At sinamahan nyo na kayo sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us. See you in the next video. Bye!